Almost everything in your body is made up of folded strings. Not bricks, not cells, but strings. Okay, let me explain. Inside every cell, your proteins are constantly working, and what a protein does depends almost entirely on its shape, and that shape comes from how the string folds. But before these proteins exist, they start out as amino acids, and these amino acids are just small molecules that link together in a chain. They're kind of like beads on a string. There are about 20 main types of amino acids, and they all behave a little differently. For example, some like water and some don't, and all of these small differences matter. The primary structure of a protein is just the order of these amino acids, just the sequence, aka the beads lined up on the string. And even changing one bead can completely change how this protein behaves. Next, in the secondary structure, parts of the string starts to fold onto itself. They form simple patterns like tight spirals or folded sheets. At this stage, it's still a string, but now it has somewhat of a structure to it. After that, the entire string folds into this complex 3D structure. This is the tertiary structure. This shape gives the protein its job. It determines whether it's going to be breaking down food or sending signals to your brain. But some proteins don't work alone. Multiple of these folded tertiary structures come together to form one functional unit. This is the quaternary structure. It's basically separate pieces coming together to form a protein machine. So why does this protein folding even matter? If a protein folds incorrectly, then it might not work at all. Or worse, it could become harmful. Protein folding is linked to a plethora of diseases, some including Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. So to wrap it up, your body isn't just made up of cells, but it's also made up of sequences, folds, and precise shapes. So all of life's complexity is tucked inside of you, one tiny twist at a time.